Hello everyone and welcome back to another Playmo YT unboxing and review video. Today is December 13th. This is our mail call. We just got back from celebrating Christmas with our grandkids who we're not going to get this year. But we came home and found this package at the door that I was expecting. And I wanted to go ahead and do an unboxing for you. This was a nice surprise. I knew I was getting it in the mail. I do sound a little sick. I have been sick and I had laryngitis for about 2 days. So my wife loved it, but I'm back and still working on getting my voice completely back, which is pretty important considering I have jury duty coming up, and also I do a lot of customer service work, so I gotta have my voice. But anyway, here we go. I apologize for the terrible lighting. You're gonna see a lot of shadow overcasting here. But I am hopefully getting some new lighting soon and probably even a new camera. So we ordered 2 girl Series 20 blind bags, and I don't know what to expect. These were the last 2 available, and I'm really hoping for one of 2 girls, well actually one of 3 that I'm really stoked about. The one that I don't want is the what is she? She's like an Arabian genie? Maybe she's a genie or just an Arabian princess. I'm not sure which. But anyway, I already have her. Sorry for the cough. But I really want either the Day of the Dead girl or this girl here that I'm not really sure what she is. She has a toboggan, wears a camouflage jersey, and she carries this can and a drumstick. I don't know if she's a street musician or what. Either way, pretty excited to have this in my possession finally. And again, I know it's two unbaggings. I don't know why I keep going for 2. It's just the rule of the show, I guess. But anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and open this first one. I didn't even do the field test. Oh, it looks like we got, I think this is a jockey. Yes it is. And we seem to have everything we need except for the horse. Very cool. I really like this one. Mainly due to the fact that she is a character we just don't have. We don't have anything like this at all. I didn't even do the field test for any one of these, but I wanted to just get this one kind of going, and there we go. Need that extra leverage. Of course, we don't want to duplicate either. So this one feels like there could be a little bit more in here than the one we just had. Oh, nice. This is one of the ones I wanted. I don't know how to describe her. I don't know if I want to call her a shopper. You know, she's got a big old shopping bag with her. Wears a nice dress, polka dotted dress. Very fancy. I like it. She wears glasses. Ah, sorry. Oh, gosh. And we got a different hairstyle, which is always a good thing. This hair's got a little bit of overlap, so the majority of it goes behind her shoulders. This little portion here goes in front of it. She has this little hat, really fancy. Matches her leggings here, and then she's got the little ribbon that goes over it. Sweet. And then here's her shopping bag. Wow, her shopping bag even has rubber handles rather than the typical plastic, but I guess it's meant for her to carry over her shoulder more so than it is for her to hold it. Let's see if I can get it. It's a little awkward, but maybe, just maybe, that's part of the purpose of having the hair hanging over her shoulder like that. Let's see. So yeah, excellent. I'm so glad to have these. These are new for us, and we'll definitely be adding them to our collection of photos on our Instagram channel, which if you haven't checked it out yet, please do so and subscribe to us. And we're always happy to interact with our followers. We can be found at playmo.af. AF meaning my initials, of course. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. And look out for some new videos coming soon. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you next time. Hopefully I'll be better too. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.